Running a successful print shop is a full-time job and then some. You know that delivering professional work in a timely manner is what makes or breaks your business, so you don't have a second to spare. Placeit's design templates and mockups are not only a cost-effective way to save your business time and give your products a professional image, but also provide your customers with more options and value for their money. Placeit's mockups give you an easy way to show your customers what their final products will look like. It doesn't matter what products your print shop offers. Placeit has you covered with everything from t-shirt mockups to tote bags, mugs, flyers, business cards, stationery, and so much more. Simply upload your design and done. A professional mockup that'll convince your customer to give you the go-ahead and give you more time to work with more customers and secure more sales. You can also use Placeit's mockups to promote your print shop on your website or on social media. Easily create an attractive catalog and entice potential customers with slick mockups that showcase your products and services. There are thousands of different mockups to choose from and more constantly being added. Offer your customers a complete package by not only offering to print what they need, but also offering to design it for them with Placeit's design templates. Placeit's templates let you easily create everything from logos to flyers, business cards, and online ads in just a couple of clicks. You don't have to spend hours messing around in Illustrator or Photoshop to get fantastic results. Placeit's design templates let you offer your customers a quick turnaround time with amazing results. That means more money for your shop and satisfied customers that can get everything they need from one shop. Placeit gives you the tools you need to compete with other print shops by providing you with mockups to attract and convince more customers with great images of your products, and offer your customers design services with design templates. Placeit's unlimited subscription gives you unlimited access to all of this and so much more for only $29 a month. That's a full design and marketing solution for one low monthly price. This is easily the best $29 you can invest in your print shop. So what are you waiting for? Get started today. And don't forget to check out the links in the description for more videos and tutorials on how to get the most out of your business with Placeit.